So for today's video, I'm going to be trying the Lilac St Ultraviolet Originals for the very first time. And I bought them in 14 and 16 millimeters. And I'm kind of just going to do an accent lash because, I don't know, I haven't done purple lashes or any kind of colored lashes like ever. And the last time I used purple mascara, I think I was in like high school or something. So I'm gonna also pair them with the originals in black, the regular ones. And I usually do the doll eye look, but I think today I'm gonna do cat eye just because I want just an accent. I thought it would be weird to do like just in the middle. So I'm gonna do a cat eye look for like the first time in probably a year, ever since I started doing the doll eye, and I like that way a lot better. But we're gonna try it anyway. So I'm going for the most subtle look. So I'm gonna apply the purple ones from the middle to the outer first, and then put these on underneath. You could do it either way. You could put the regular ones on underneath and then have like the pop of color at the end. I think that would look good too. But you know, first time. So I'm gonna go very subtle. So it'd just be like a little bit of the purple sticking out behind the black. And then maybe you can see it when you look down. Hopefully that doesn't look weird because it's gonna be purple and then black. But we'll see, it's an experiment. So first step, well, I have like the kit with everything from Lilac St, plus some other random stuff. The clear coat, I'm gonna be using the conditioning primer, and the black pro glue, which is like my absolute favorite thing ever. So I'm gonna use a Q-tip, and I already have makeup on just because I'm filming this, but usually I do this without any makeup or face products on, especially around the eye. So you want to just, you know, put a little bit on a Q-tip and then clean the lashes. And don't put too much because it does sting if you get it in your eye. So I clean the top and the bottom and the lower lashes in case you get anything, you know, on there. So hopefully this works out and looks good. I'm gonna see like a lot of people in the next week, so you know. I guess you're never too old for colored lashes, right? So I have the 14s and the 16s. I think I'm gonna do maybe one 14 and two 16s. And then do my usual. I think for the black lashes, I'm gonna do 112, 3 14s, and 3 16s. We will see. I haven't done the cat eye look for so long that I don't even remember what I used to do. So now that that's dry, actually the first thing you want to do is loosen the lashes that you're going to use. And what I mean by loosen is just press down and then remove it from the sticky band that's holding it to the container. That'll just make it easier for yourself later. And also you don't want to use the tweezers for this because if you put too much, like if you grab it like one lash and try to pull it, it will damage the lash. So I might do 2 or 3 16s. Yeah, so I'll just loosen 6. I don't also stack them usually, so this is gonna be interesting. I have stacked before when I did Lashify because it held the lashes together better, but with Lilac St I never had that problem. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting. So I'm just gonna apply glue as I usually do to the whole lash. You can either kind of brush it through or you can just dab it. I have really short lashes, so I just go all the way through. I know some people with long lashes, if they go all the way through, then you can see the glue sticking out, but I don't have that problem. So I'm gonna grab a 14, and like in every video, I always grab it like this, just so I have an easier, way of maneuvering my hand to place it. And then I'm gonna put glue on the band. It's weird that you can see it now. Okay. And I'm just gonna put this right in the center. Maybe a little toward the outer corner. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab a 16 and do the exact same thing. I actually kind of like it already. Maybe I shouldn't be scared of the purpleness. So in my usual way, I'm going to overlap it a little. I guess you don't really have to because you're going to be putting lashes underneath, but just, So yeah, I think I'm going to need 3. I also don't usually stack because it gets heavier, but so I wouldn't stack with like volumes. Well, they don't really need to either, but yeah, it does make it a little heavier look-wise and the feel. So I'm also not going to go all the way to the end. One, because it's uncomfortable. You never go like all the way to this side or this side. And then 2, it'll bring down my eye this way. So I'm stopping there. So that actually is really subtle on its own. I could probably have put this, over the black ones, but okay. So now I'm going to attempt to put some glue at the base. And then I'm gonna get the black 12s. And you can start from inner or outer. I just always go from the inside. So I got a black 12, putting glue on it. And I'm gonna do the inside. Maybe I'll do 2 12s. The originals are actually thinner in width, so I end up using more than the other styles. And now I'm gonna do a 14. And these are old originals. I just washed these last night because I wore this pair or this set last week. I probably washed them like 7 times and I'm still wearing them. And I think I've only lost like maybe 2. So when you're stacking, it's very important to put glue at the base, like enough to cover. It's also really hard to see where I'm supposed to overlap because of the coloring. Okay, and I think I'm just gonna do 2 16s. Or maybe just that 116 is good enough. Yeah, I think I'll leave it at that just because it's still going up. And when I do my eyeliner, I do it from here anyways. I don't go to the very end. And you can still see the purple. So I like that. Now I'm gonna do some clear coat. And I'm just gonna use my Lash wand, fuse wand, and rub this on the inside. You can use the other one too, but this one is really good because I can do it all at once. Yeah, okay, I like it. Very subtle, right? You probably wouldn't be able to tell if I didn't tell you to look at it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and show you the final look. So this is the finished look before I do my eyeshadow, and I like it. You can see it in the light, but it's not, I don't know, that noticeable. But anyways, let me know what you think. Maybe I'll try and do the doll eye one with the purple focus in the middle next time and see. It looks a little weird to me because I'm not used to the cat eye look. I'll go ahead and do my makeup and then maybe come back and then show you with the eyeliner and see if that makes a difference. Okay, so I did my, I guess, usual eyeshadow and winged eyeliner, and it kind of blends in. I think, I don't know, filming with a white shirt or something is throwing the lighting off, so I don't know. It looks a little different than usual. There, I think that warmed me up a little bit. But okay, so I have my eyeliner on, and I feel like this side's a little shorter, but I don't know. We're just gonna go with it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and try out the lashes. I also want to show you the container I'm using to clean my lashes. I was using a little plastic container, and a lot of people were asking me about what kind of container it was, and it was just like a random travel container. This is like 10 times better though. It's like a glass container with a lid. So any glass container is fine. You could even use a shot glass with saran wrap over it, but it helps keep the alcohol from evaporating. So I just put enough alcohol, like a little bit, and it stays like this until I'm ready to wash it, which is usually a week later. And the glue is nice and soft. It's really easy to clean. I think I was having a problem before because with the little container, the alcohol would dry out and the lashes would be kind of dry. The glue would re-dry, and then I would put alcohol again, like just topping it off. And it got, softened again, but not like that first, like nice and soft where it just like brushes off, if you know what I mean. So any container, this is a Ween Green 4-ounce baby food container, and I just have this in my house for my kids. I will link it down below, but any container will do with a lid. So thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments if you like the purple, if you can even see it, and I'll see you in the next video.